Poor indoor air quality inside your homes, offices, and buildings can make you sick, causing irritation of eyes, nose, throat, respiratory disorders, headaches, fatigues, heart attacks, and cancer. Hello and welcome. My name is Yogesh and I specialize in HVAC and air conditioning with number of years of experience in the field. And today we are going to discuss about the necessity of good maintenance for your air conditioners. One of the root cause of poor indoor air quality is poorly maintained air conditioners and lack of good ventilation. It has been proved by Lancet, US EPA and ED Labs that the virus of the COVID-19 is airborne and is higher in indoor atmospheres. So this is another danger of poor indoor air quality. As you are aware, the air from your air conditioners is just a recirculatory air and keeps on circulating from your air conditioning machines into your room and back, while continuously accumulating dust and dirt from the space on your air conditioning interiors like your filters, coils, blowers, etc., and giving a chance of build-up of molds, spores, and breeding of various kind of viruses and bacteria. Hence, getting a scheduled maintenance done for your air conditioners by means of cleaning the coils, filters, blowers, etc. is of utmost importance for your safety and the safety of your loved ones. A well-maintained air conditioner also saves power and hence lowered electricity bills. Accurate provides highly skilled technicians backed up with well-experienced engineers to take care of any of your problems related to air conditioning. So call us for a scheduled or a breakdown maintenance to resolve your air conditioning related problems. We care for you. Thank you, and please take good care of yourself. Thank you once again for listening.